1 Minute Latvian, Lesson 7.
Sveiki! Hello!
It's Mark and Arta here, your Latvian teachers, bringing you 1 Minute Latvian from Coffee Break Languages. Each lesson of 1 Minute Latvian teaches you a few words and phrases in 60 seconds, or thereabouts. Last lesson, you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn how to say it's nice to meet someone.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say, my name is? You would say,
Mani sauc.
when you meet someone, it's only polite to say that it's nice to meet them. To say this in Latvian, you would say,
Prieks iepazīties.
let's slow that down and try it again.
Prieks iepazīties.
Try that again after Arta.
Prieks iepazīties.
Let's repeat it one more time at normal speed.
Prieks iepazīties.
Good. So maybe your new Latvian-speaking friend could help you with your Latvian. Listen to this phrase.
Es vēlētos iemācīties vairāk latviešu valodu.
Now you'll recognize latviešu, valodu in there, the Latvian language. What you're saying here is, I would like to learn more Latvian. Listen again to Arta.
Es vēlētos iemācīties vairāk latviešu valodu.
Let's split this up and say it word by word.
Es vēlētos iemācīties vairāk latviešu valodu.
Okay, let's put that all together one more time.
Es vēlētos iemācīties vairāk latviešu valodu.
Time's up, and once again, I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your Latvian-speaking friends or business colleagues. Today's phrases have been quite tricky, so do try to listen again to this episode. Don't forget to visit 1minutelanguages.com to find out more about Latvian. That's all for this episode.
Paldies un uz redzēšanos!
You have been listening to a production of the Copy Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.